talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video with J and again. The crew man never get the chance to make it today because we live two separate places and you don't know the thing go, but we now make that stop we. So we're back here with another try not to laugh. Alright, before I say it, I know I love laugh, but we still gotta try not to laugh. So let's say 40, let's get it.
Okay, Violet. Which one do you prefer, a gunman or a broke man?
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Why do you say gunman?
Because gunman pum pum jump.
Man in she hole, she like that.
Never been seen this yet.
Fatola, you really get paid and that you use the money and buy?
Yes or no?
And that you use the money and buy Tolan? How much them me Tolan? Give me $1,000.
You feel my idiot.
Come take my hard working money and give you.
Move your blood clot.
The bone, every blood clot that you come in, you want not tired. If it have so cock. That's it, I'll look up. Every night you come and place, come post the clock. Fuck up.
Clot, foot. Before me up here, blood clot, dog. Almost 7 o'clock in our blood clot evening now. And look how me up here work hard. Everybody has said they want money. When you go suck with them, my bumbo clot.
The fuck get mad.
Who want to experience it for yourself? When I hear about foreign, yes, I want money to you, a man just said to him, blood clot rich. Yeah, man.
Hey Jaden, make sure to make it extra wet.
That's what she said.
Hey Jaden, are you almost done?
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Bomba! Look como esse mano é bosta, bomba!
Man, ready again?
Oh, come on.
Let me go wash up the pot, man.
No need a man. Not even man you.
Yeah, man. That's what Manchester, I'm going to go. Yeah, man. That's serious?
Yeah.
I'm not even want to work.
Yeah.
Son manager.
Yeah.
I'm not take the clothes off and I'm going to quit.
Yeah.
I suck your man, I'm not even have manners.
Yeah.
I'm not even like woman.
Yeah.
Tell them like.
Yeah, let me like. No. Soon give my life to God too, but I'm not ready yet.
What are you going to do? I told you, man, I told you.
She getting a spirit. Well, look how long Mr. Grace have Sherry in the down I water. Yeah, man, let him learn blood clot, Sherry.
Bomba! No baptize, she come for baptize and shower, man. This can't serious.
So, where you do bark like a dog or you walk like a dog? Which one of them? Bark like a dog or walk like a dog?
You know, some do the two of them, but me not do the walking one, is it?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You have all different type of dogs now. Also, what kind of dog you bark like now?
You know, some a pit bull, me no want to go the mongrel side yet.
Okay, me get the bark now.
Arr! Arr! Arr!
Tell me what that did to me. Tell me what that did to me. Yeah. You done massage me? Oh gosh, that man.
Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them gal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked.
That man, Tenere? What else did I do to me? Huh? You reach a back where you talk about? Where you talk about? Oh, if me can't reach back, I wash it off me. Oh gosh, man, adapt me life. What else did I do to me? Alright, yeah, wash off. You did tell me something else when my brother gone. Tell me again what I did to me. I don't want to hear.
Take your number.
Tell me not fast. See man, they away from me. Eat me?
Move your blood clot.
Why?
Man, more in love with the new one.
You're not two man, you're one man. Shut up.
Stop the cap.
Yeah, baby. Oh, shit.
You know them style one. They are little pretty one. As they look nice. So be a little give him one.
No, bro, what going?
Oh, this cause?
Eh?
The general?
Fatty, deal with it. Fatty will love you. Fatty will can't do without you, and you know. Fatty will buy food and glass. And no. Thank you.
We're sending you to Madden's. Oh. Oh, Madden. No.
Anthony, no! Hold on, one moment, please. Hold on. On the level.
Watch out!
Anthony, you know what I'm me a defender from morning? See it there? You know what I'm me a defender from morning?
I feel bad.
Everybody say your mark, are you know what I'm saying? Me say you see him talk in mind, and if him start so you go, and so you go. You see your criticism, me will take it and fix it up, you know. A chicken gun, I'm come here with this man, you know, so me I red. Shoot me.
That on your neck. Terry, why is that hickey on your neck?
Baby, this isn't even my neck, though.
What?
This isn't even my neck, but you always look at
Who neck it? Who neck it is? Who neck? It ain't mine. Who neck?
What should I do with him, sir?
one of my boys.
Raw, born, idiot.
What?
Maybe it's one of my boys' neck. What you want me to do? You ready? Let's go.
What the wickedest thing a girl could have ever did?
Them do all different kind of thing.
What the wickedest thing she could have ever did? What you remember?
When me could I remember,
Yeah.
they make me feel like more than now. Somebody will more than now. Okay. Yeah, the wickedest thing them do me.
What? Oh, that. Why?
We have some contour bum buck like this here. All wrong with you about oh why? Oh why? Where it come from?
Oh,
Oh why?
This lady's cheating on her husband. As they're going at it, they hear her husband's car pull up in the driveway. The guy says, "Oh my God, what are we gonna do?" The lady says, "Go in the living room." They get in the living room. She puts him in the corner, starts pouring baby powder all over him. He says, "What the hell are you doing?" She says, "I'm gonna make you look like a statue. Stand there in a pose. My husband will never figure it out because he ain't too bright." Husband walks in the door, looks. He says, "What's that?" She says, "Well, me and Miss Johnson next door, we went shopping. See, she has one of these in her house. I liked it so much, she took me to get one." Husband says, "All right." Later that night, the guy is still in a pose. He don't want to try to leave because he's afraid he's going to get caught. All of a sudden, the husband comes down the stairs, walks past the guy, goes into the kitchen, opens a beer, make a sandwich. He comes back out of the kitchen, walks up to the statue, hands him the beer and the sandwich. He says, "Look, I was stuck in that position for 2 days at Miss Johnson's house, and nobody gave me any food."
She says she have a man, me have a girl too.
Bona give a left, right, and center. You're watching the peeps at the end of the video that if you're not wearing the socks, like the video. If you love your mother, drop a comment. And if you're not a virgin, drop a like, comment, share, subscribe. No cap. So at the end of the video that with a J and
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's